As technology develops and society evolves, designers are facing ever-growing challenges from increasing complexities. Although there are many methods and models that try to tackle the issue, systems-oriented design is one of the few that is geared towards qualitative and visual thinking. In other words, it is suitable for design practice. Within systems-oriented design lies gigamapping, the star of this video. So you might ask, what is gigamapping? The academic definition states that gigamapping is a super extensive map that is spread across multiple layers and scales, investigates relations between seemingly separate categories, and so implements a boundary critique to the conception and framing of systems. In other words, a gigamap helps designers get a grip on complexity in a larger scale project. The emphasis is on getting a grip. Gigamapping is simply for understanding and bridging knowledge gaps instead of solving problems. A gigamap is a construction of a rich picture of a real-life situation that mixes information types, different kinds of myriad sources, and varying quality. As you can see in the example, there are images, graphics, texts, user journeys, and service blueprints. The scales of the gigamap also range from a large wide angle to a small microscopic view. The combination of different kinds of visual information and models shows the relations among various categories and helps authors to dig into details, identify problems, potentials, and give critiques. Fortunately, this way of visual thinking and inclusiveness is right up a designer's alley. So then, how do you create a gigamap? For starters, the gigamap uses a large number of commonly used tools such as hierarchical and non-hierarchical maps, such as mind and concept maps, time-based maps such as Gantt charts, images, videos, music, spatial maps, intensity maps, business models, causal loop diagrams, user journeys, diagrams, blueprints, and much more. The potential scope of coverage is infinite. Okay, let's talk about preparation then. You only need a bunch of smart people, your research subjects, cheap and accessible tools, and a sheet of big paper. Or an online whiteboard if you're in the midst of a global pandemic. Most importantly, don't forget to keep an open mind. And you are ready to start. A few tips to help the process to be more productive. Don't talk too much. Talk, write, and draw. Never start with the start. Facilitate, do not dominate. Don't brainstorm. Use timelines. Look for relations and create new ones. Be critical but also open-minded. Messy is good. And finally, don't be afraid of messiness. The results seem vague and unresolved, but clarity will ensue. Good luck with creating your gigamap and building the bridges.